If you're looking at a table and thinking, I need more rows, there's no need to rebuild it. You can add rows instantly and effortlessly. Here are 3 quick ways to add rows. First, use the right-click method to access the menu options. Second, explore a menu option for a seamless addition. Finally, discover the fastest typing trick to add rows instantly. If you're looking for quick OpenOffice templates and easy-to-follow guides, be sure to check the resource links below. Now let's dive into fixing the table. The first method is the quickest for most users. Simply right-click inside the table. Next, select Insert. Then, choose Row. And just like that, you have a new row with clean spacing and no hassle. If right-click menus aren't your preference, try using the top menu instead. Click inside the table, navigate to the Table option, then select Insert and choose Rows. You'll achieve the same result with a clean table. Here's a quick typing tip to boost your efficiency. Navigate to the last cell in the table, located in the bottom right corner. Simply press the Tab key. Instantly, a brand new row will be added for you automatically. Quick warning: pressing Enter does not create a new row. Instead, it adds a new line within the same cell. This can lead to messy tables. Recap: to insert rows, simply right-click to add them above or below. If you prefer, you can also use the table menu. And remember, when you're typing, pressing Tab in the last cell allows for a quick move to the next row. Thank you for watching. If this video saved you time, please like and subscribe for more simple and effective OpenOffice tips and tricks.